Hey there, welcome to Rebuild Your Knowledge. Friends, in today's life, everyone is busy and lacking with time. Most families are nuclear families, and both the members go to work. Due to our busy schedule, we use many electronic gadgets to make our life easier and comfortable. These electronic gadgets give comfort and save our time, but they are harmful somewhere for our health if we do not use them properly. If we use these gadgets properly, then we can prevent ourselves from its harmful effects. Today in this video, we will talk about its proper usage. This video might be very informative for you, so watch the full video. Friends, if you haven't subscribed this channel till now, please subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's start with refrigerator. Every kitchen has a refrigerator. One finds very easy to cook food and refrigerate it as food does not get spoiled. But food kept in refrigerator more than 3 to 4 days can be harmful for health as it loses its nutrition value, flavor, color and texture. Sometimes it could lead to food poisoning or indigestion. Whenever you want to keep raw vegetables, fruits, and cottage cheese, wash them properly before keeping in the fridge. You may be unaware of that proteins have a tendency to get contaminated or spoiled fast as compared to other foods. So, protein food like milk, cheese, and cottage cheese, etc., should always be kept on top in fridge so that it will retain its nutritional value. Right temperature for fridge should be 4 degrees Celsius or less while storing food. Don't open fridge door more than necessary and close it as soon as possible. Very important tip. Keep your fridge clean whenever something spills. Keep an open box of baking soda inside the fridge to maintain smelling fresh and odorless. Next, we will talk about air conditioner. As we all know, air conditioner is mandatory everywhere as per today's demand, but it leads to adverse effects on health as well as on the environment. Most of us are spending time in AC in offices. But do you know that AC sucks out more moisture from the room as well as from the human body? Due to this, a person may experience itching, irritation, burning sensation in their eyes, and cause dryness, dehydration, and dry eyes, which are caused by AC, can cause headaches. A person can get cold, fever, and viral infection if they stay longer in AC. If you use AC, then keep a water filled pot to maintain humidity. A person should drink more water if they are spending more time in AC. Friends, if it is not necessary to use AC, reduce the usage of AC to prevent the harmful effect and to save the environment. Friends, next we will talk about microwave. Cooking with a microwave oven is highly convenient. Microwave ovens produce electromagnetic radiation. Just to be on the safe side, don't keep your face against the window of microwave. Microwave radiation decreases with distance and doesn't harm you much if you are far from it. You shouldn't use microwave oven if it has broken or damaged wall or door, doesn't close properly. Excessive usage of microwave might be harmful. Friends, next we will talk about air fryer. Fried food with crispy coatings is the preferred delicacy around the world. It is believed to fry the food using a thin layer of oil coating in air fryer would be healthier. While using air fryer, it generates smoke which keeps depositing inside the air fryer. So, using an air fryer regularly will provide unhealthier food. Improper cleaning of the air fryer might result in unhealthy food. Some air fryer uses plastic coated pans or non-stick pans. These coating of the pan come out after few usage and which may cause toxicity in food. While air fryers have their benefits but also have adverse effects too. So be careful while using it. So, whenever you use any electronic gadgets, use them properly so that these gadgets might be beneficial to you. Take good care of yourself as well as environment. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.